turi ya Rubin preparatory school ko kuna nagambire kandi turi no mukoro nyamurunji no gwa music dance and drama twinona na ba prefects bitu bine presentations nyamwinji buri mwana we no wishomereri oba nursery oba primary oba ne chamushanje oba ne chakangayi we na ine chakutevekanisize iwe charakora iche na TV yawe yeto urukunda yeto urukurana na program meji ebashemeze hamwe mbase kwereza abana ba Rubindi
Saria bankoreza bukoreze toke Saria Saria bankoreza bukoreze toke Saria Saria bankoreza bukoreze toke Saria Kalemba saba mukubire kungoma Saria bankoreza bukoreze toke Saria Munanga Saria Saria bankoreza bukoreze toke Saria Kalemba saba mukubire kungaro Saria bankoreza bukoreze toke Saria Munanga Saria Saria bankoreza bukoreze toke Saria Kalemba saba mukubire kungoma Munanga Saria Kalemba saba mukubire kungaro Munanga Saria Kalemba saba abatini kusine
bakwata uniform empare bajwara zihindurize omweyaza kujwara hindurire aha yes zayanga kuhinduruza zarema kagitamwa cyamagema yes ready number 3 ready number 1 number 3 t-shirt yeah yes ready yizagamani minje wa yellow good green yaji zwala yes red number 2 they are set number 2 Echikaru number 1 yachisiba number 2 yachi he or she has tucked in his or her t-shirt number 2 she has run socks nazoni mzihindurize yes very ibikaru yabisibaru bazu good very awaziri matemba bahubukaro bagiramu amani mingi yes good yes sende I know Buira like yes. The mother like the father yes DJ DJ yes steady yes bahubukaro Germany yes equipo Surban Mufumbira number 1 Mufumbira
Say good morning in the morning. Say good afternoon after midday. Say good evening in the evening. Say good night while taking leave at night. Brush your teeth. Have a bath daily. Keep your clothes neat and clean. Obey your parents. Respect your elders. Address your teachers as sir or madam. Speak the truth. Avoid bad company. Read good books. Take part in games. Be a good child. May God bless you. John got it quickly. Excuse me, madam. Yes? I brought your bag. Oh, thank you. A good boy. What's your name? My name is John, and that is my sister Mary. Good afternoon, Mary. Good afternoon, madam. Do you go to school?
Uh-huh.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Bye. Goodbye.
Good. Anga abazira mpera abana bo mu ngaraho. Ne batorotora, bafuratira, batwara. I hope they are all candidates. Have you balanced their strength? I can see. Then, how will you determine the midpoint? Okay. School choir here. School choir, please. But I am of the sorry for inconvenience. Some will take the advantage of gravity. Can you come here? Observation. Some of them instructions. Okay, which group? Which group will pull the other? Okay. Go! Kanyama! Pull! Yeah! Gone! Yeah, gone! Gone! Okay! Yes! Bring that rope! Bring that rope! Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One!